Welcome to a quick product walkthrough of Azure TotalView Insights for testing. First, a few words about the TotalView product family. As an analytics platform for the enterprise, it provides a way to guide and help your development and testing initiatives, providing a single source of truth for all stakeholders. How does it work? Data from various source systems is extracted and transformed into a dedicated data warehouse that has been specifically designed as reporting friendly. From the warehouse, data is then visualized into a web-based reporting layer. Many enterprises implement their testing practices on Micro Focus ALM. While ALM provides reports within projects, there is a challenge for larger companies when it comes to obtaining insights, metrics, and key performance indicators, or KPIs, across the multiple testing initiatives in the enterprise. This challenge is addressed by TotalView Insights for Testing, providing a much-needed analytic solution for keeping up to date with testing initiatives progress in enterprise companies. Let me introduce you to the user interface. The left side of the dashboard contains filters such as ALM domains and projects, or business lines where we pull the data from. The filters allow you to quickly choose which ALM projects or releases are in our report scope. The dashboard screens are divided into several categories. Some aim for management to have an overall view into multiple projects' progress, and others for drilling down to each area of application lifecycle management, such as requirements, testing, and defects. The landing page of TotalView Insights for Testing, Top KPIs, displays high-level metrics over all the projects in your report scope. When changing the filter of, for an example, the business line, we can see the differences of KPI scores like the defect resolution time, which is in reasonable boundaries in the wealth and investment business line, while consumer banking has an alarming score. To drill down deeper into understanding what's going on within a certain KPI area, we can click on the KPI topic. That will take us into the project comparison dashboard page. Here, the ALM projects in report scope are shown in a heat map, where the size is relative to, for example, the number of requirements in the project. The red, amber, and green status thresholds can be defined for each organization. Sometimes we have releases that span across multiple projects. This kind of reporting is very difficult to do with ALM native capabilities, but with TotalView Insights for Testing, it is easy to just select the release in question to show the projects associated with it. Please note that I chose this view from a bookmark I had created earlier. These are a great collaboration feature, allowing your colleagues and managers to quickly access the same views across the globe. The cross-entity comparison view shows the details of requirements, testing, and defects tracking in one single view with an ability to toggle between the release, project, domain, and business line levels. On the summary page, important KPIs are shown on the top ribbon, and the historical trend is shown in the bottom. Daily throughput is calculated from historical information. In this particular example, the project is clearly struggling with getting their testing completed in the allocated time as shown in the requirement daily average to complete. For deeper insights into the ALM areas, we can use the requirements, tests, and defects pages. Each one of these pages have multiple sub-pages which allow you to drill down even further. For an example, when going to tests, test efficiency and effectiveness page, we can find an outlier. There's a test case that has taken 10 runs to finally pass. Just filter the view to investigate it further and navigate to the test details page to see the test case in question. In defect characteristics page, there's an interesting anomaly. Defects by priority metric shows a no match for almost all the defects in our report scope. This is an example of how the metrics might not fully work if the relevant data is not collected in ALM. The product in general is using only system fields of ALM, so most of the data should be gathered within normal ALM usage. The last thing I'd like to show you is the forecasting page. In here, we have a chance to view the planned versus forecasted end date for a release in either test execution or defect resolution. Forecasting happens by counting the total number of instances, how many instances are remaining to be executed, instance execution rate, and the amount of testers who are contributing to the testing effort. By descoping the execution target or changing the testing team scale, we aim to get the forecasted end date to be within our planned boundaries. This helps in discussing with management about possible changes to the release plan, where the arguments can be backed up with real, timely data. A short TotalView Insights for Testing offers an enterprise-ready solution that will bring you value from day one. The solution is scalable and offers a wide variety of features. If you would like to learn more about this product, please contact us to arrange a demo. Thank you very much for your interest.